How to create Google Forms survey questionnaire. So first is to go to Google Forms, and once you're in Google Form, you may select from any of these templates to work on, or you may choose to create your own form. So for this, I will be choosing to create my own form. First thing is to add the title of this form, and then you can add a description. For instance, what is the purpose of this form? And then by default, you will be given this untitled question section. So to customize this, just click on it. And then here you can add in your first question. So the answer to this question would be in the form of multiple choice. So the first option would be female. The second option would be male. And the third option could be other. So if you want to set this question as required, you can turn on this toggle button beside required. And then if you want to add another question, just click this add question icon. And then when you go back, you would see this asterisk beside this question, indicating that this question should be answered. Next question, it could be, so for this question, I will be using the checkboxes option. The options could be ranges of age. So same thing in question number 1. If you want to set this question as required, just click this toggle button beside required. But if not, then just leave it as it is. Now, by default, you would see a little section here which collects emails. Now, if you want to turn off that feature, just go to settings, and then under defaults, you would see form defaults. So just click this drop down arrow button and make sure to select do not collect. But if you want to collect emails, then select responder input. So if you want to see the responses to your form, you can just go to responses and you would see the responses here. Also, you can change the theme of your survey form by clicking on this customize theme. So you can change the text style, font, and size. So you can also upload an image for your header, or you can also change its color. Now to send this form to others, just click the send button, and then you can send it via email, link, or HTML. So for link, you could select this option shorten URL. It will provide you the shortened version of the link. And then just click copy. And so that is how you create Google Forms survey questionnaire. Thank you and have a great day.